I feel a strong negative emotion. We'll finish this later. Nuru, Darkwing's rise!
Yes, Shoto! Have you finally accepted your purpose? That's it. Very good. This is the dawn of a new era for us. With my blood in your veins, you'll surpass me. You will live up to the reason I created you.
Don't worry, baby. Creepy freaking baby. Please don't take my soul. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. What is it doing? What is it doing? What is it doing? What? Demon baby, no! These games may appear to be cute, when in reality, they're actually super creepy, slash haunted, slash scary. You know.
Yeah, I've seen him before. The boy with, like, super messy hair, right? It's ridiculous. He looks like he's never used a comb in his life. Oh, do you mean that guy who, like, doesn't know how to stand up straight? Seriously, he's always hunched over like a caveman. He's gonna end up with major back problems. Oh my god. I know who you're talking about. The boy with giant glasses that cover half his face.
It's only natural that I'd get the lead role in the play. I deserve it more than anyone else. Senpai, I'm going to be Juliet. Would you be my Romeo?
Claudine Wolf here, pleasure to greet you. I am one fierce fashionista. Think of me as a wolf in chic clothing. I come from a big family. We werewolves run in packs. My brother Claude is even dating my goo friend Draculaura. Around the full moon, things get pretty hairy for me. All my senses get sharp. I am a wicked fast runner too. You could say I've got a competitive streak.
Once you hit 1,000 viewers, you got upgrade from a Blue Yeti.
Oh, do you think that...
Has everyone's played Proximity before?
This is my first time.
Oh.
You set it up so fast, Chris.
I am a tech person.
Alright, so who did that keys? Come here, come here. Don't leave, don't leave.
Top left key.
Alright, Aria, which keys were yours, huh?
Bottom.
Oh, wait a minute. I know what this is. Oh, no. Oh, no, guys. It's, Okay. Oh, wait. This is... Okay, I see why it looks like it's from a Okay. Well, it came with a bunch of candy, too. Alright. Oh, no. Oh, no. It's too early. It's too early for this. And
also... That's the main thing. That's kind of the only thing. Because there isn't really a career that I necessarily want that I've seen. Also because you can't, there's no way to know what to do when you get this kind of thing. Like you can't be prepared for this. You don't know how to deal with it. It's impossible to know at all. And I feel like everybody who's gotten to have this kind of experience that I'm going through right now is like just trying to figure it out for themselves and see what works best for them.
It's been a while.
Karma, you're back?
It's kind of tricky getting back into the swing of things. Oh, feel free to call me by my first name. Anyway, I've heard some good things, Teach. Nice to meet you.
The pleasure's all mine. Should be a fun and educational year.
Ah, you are fast, aren't you? And who'd have...
Time to face the consequences of your behavior. Might as well face the facts. You were always destined to fail. You blinked. What is this new prison? Is it me trapped, or is it you? Perhaps it is us both. I may be missing my face, but even I could see his tongue.
Don't be afraid. Soon you will look just like me. Beautiful. I get to play take apart and put back together. You won't feel. He's here and always watching. The one you shouldn't.
Hello, Marinette. Sorry. I tend to make more sense with this. It seems you have something like this in your heart. Music is often simpler than words. You can have it if you like. I've got plenty.
Oh, thanks.
I think I better go and join the groove you said.
Who's not only precious, but also very, very new among us. Yeah, I'm not a morning person either. I just woke up. This is me when I wake up. That's what
Hello?
What up, baby? Like, who's there? I'm gonna go give him a kiss real quick.
Corpse. All crewmates.
Yeah.
It's a bug.
Are you imposter?
Yeah.
What the? What? I already voted.
Oh wait, I can vote now. Okay.
It's
Yeah,
corpse
video, please
killed.
vote right.
Wait, Andy, were you at the door?
corpse.
Do I know you? I'm sorry, there must be some misunderstanding. I'm listening. Why are you telling me this? Who are you? An urban legend about a girl who hacks people and sells their dirty secrets to the highest bidder. Are you trying to tell me that you're InfoJohn? Do you really expect me to believe that? How did you do that? And what if I don't want anything to do with you? Yes.
So I need to stay focused. Just remember Mr. Karasuma's advice. One strike. I just need one strike. I just need to kill him. So I'll give him a smile, walk towards him calmly, totally nonchalant, like I'm on the way to school.
An enormously huge entire town in total chaos princesses to come and save the day problem. And you know what that means? Are you kidding me? Are you loco in the cocoa? Boring! Can you think inside a chimney? Easy peasy, putting in the freezy. Enough chit-chat. Time is candy. Eternal chaos comes with chocolate rain, you guys. Chocolate rain! Forever! Happy birthday! Hello?
We're basically celebrities. Yeah, it's kind of crazy, right?
Get over yourselves. The hero course that pumps out pros was attacked, and that's what they care about. No doubt you'll make a scene too. That's odd. Ugh, I hate those guys! The most ahead of Bakugo?
Yeah, it's the opposite of how they...
Because even though you're powerful, you always...
Yay!
Jam your brain! Earphone jack.
"10 seconds flat. Yes, it's all true. Are you a spy?
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh!
I hate losing. Oh, all right. Louder! Never fear, your friendly neighborhood Rainbow Dash is here. Ah, yeah. Best day ever. My life is ruined.
Doesn't make
make any sense to me. I've never heard anything like that before. Powers are supposed to be unique to each individual. I mean, since the first superpowers, no one's ever been able to just give someone else their power like a present. That's crazy. If this is true, it would cause us to rethink everything we know about Quartz to begin with. But all of them at once. It took everything I had to keep my composure. It was such a gamble. What if they'd had reserves underwater that we didn't know about? They could have shot us.
You're creeping me out. Stop it, please.
The prerequisite is that we don't use our quirks to fight the villains, and on top of that,
I missed the photo, didn't I? Why should I expect it to be any different? Nobody ever hears me or sees me. I'm invisible, even in photos.
Don't say that, Juleka. It's not true.
Forget it. As long as Chloe's in the picture, she'll find a way to keep me out of it.
No.
Really, Rose, forget it. Forget me.
Do it before? It really suits you.
Girl's just a brat. I mean, you know you're gonna be in the photo.
No, Juleka, I'm telling you, you're not jinxed. This time it's gonna work out. I can feel it. Right here.
At the Paris City Children's Hospital.
He's just so gorgeous, and with a heart of gold. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna write him a letter professing my complete adoration and utmost respect. Can you believe Lila knows Prince Ali? She even flew in his private jet with him.
The gap between you and Hisoka is...
This why? I'm being generous!
Me? Well, probably here. Wow, I'm so humble. I'm gonna start training. For what? Why not have fun? You remember what you told me about a second ago? You think you can punch Hisoka in the face without training?
That'd take 10 years! Forget about 6 months!
Are you okay? Can I help you? Is something wrong? I'm a little concerned. Excuse me. Would you please stop doing that? You're scaring me. What the hell is wrong with you? Get away from me! What the hell
You should go talk to another ghost about this. Are you okay, Spectra?
Claudine, are you sure that's a good idea?
Nice boat. Yeah, the Dancing Reaper made that quite clear. Solids. Her story checks out. Little help. Who's the popular queen?
Alright! Hold on to your butts, people, because Chika Inoshima is ready for her epic entrance! Dig it?
You taking the time to come down here? I can't believe it!
Hoo-hoo! Kamakura! Shut up! It's really you!
Huh? What? But I bathe.
Well, then you must have BO strong enough to kill a horse, because damn! How many more lethal thrusts can the super high school level gamer avoid?
No one knows how we came to this land. A land filled with magic and danger.
That's my father, King of Dumbro. Then devil's more like. And there's my mother. She's in charge of every single day of my life. Mom.
I have the salt.
What do we say?
Now.
Like what?
Like you're going to a funeral. Why are you dressed like somebody died?
Wait. Which will hit the stone walkway first?
I'm still on fractions.
Which do you think?
The cannonball?
Very good. But which one will bounce?
The baby?
There's only one way to find out. Ready? 1, 2.
Faster! Let's go!
Jeez, I think you've added 10,000 views to this one yourself, Izuku. I don't know why you like it. I think it's scary.
He's the coolest in the universe! And once I get my quirk, I'm gonna be a hero just like him!
In the spring of 3rd grade, I transferred to a new school on the first day of class.
I'm Amajiki, and I like here. I mean,
I could barely talk when I introduced myself. Making friends wasn't exactly my specialty. After all, who would want to get to know someone boring and awkward like me?
You know what else I think? Deep down, you're a smiley, fun, super cheerful guy.
Amajiki! It was kind of hard to hear what you were trying to say up there earlier, but I was thinking, were you trying to tell us that you like heroes? Was that it?
Well,
'Cause I like them too!